Robin Cooper here, and today's song is called Eternal Love. I wrote it this morning for my husband. We've been married 28 years, coming up on 29, and he's my best friend and my everything. And I'm sorry I didn't post over the first part of February and Valentine's Day, but I did want to post something for Valentine's Day, but I missed it since it was yesterday. But this is also dedicated to Valentine's Day, of course. Want to invite you to my channel under Robin Cooper Puppet Power. If you like my stuff, please tell a friend. And also I want to say that I really truly believe that love is very strong and that it can conquer all. And that love is the thing that gets us through when we love our animals, when we love our family, when we love our pets, when we love our friends, when we love our husbands or wives. That's eternal. So here we go with Eternal Love. And again, this was written for my husband, who is also my best friend. And of course, as always, I want to thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for the effort to even watch the video. I do appreciate that. And I do hope you enjoy these. I really enjoy making them. And so here we go with Eternal Love. We spent a week talking, which was something we both needed. And although you acted out in anger, at times you still held my hand. I look back at our past and smile, the good times and bad. You were always there when I needed you. I hope you can do the same. Fall